Step 27 and 28 are the steps we're going to be looking at this video. So it says open the file N218 priceless .csv and insert the contents as a table after text. Current metal prices are as follows. So in my document, I have this little paragraph over here. You would go and find this in your exam, and we want to put the information after this paragraph. Okay, so let's see what we are told to do again. So you've got to open up and insert the content. So in other words, remember whenever you see this bit of text, it just means to copy it. So let's go and open up that file. So in the list of files that they would give you in your exam, you go look for this file. So the question stated that it is a .csv file, which means it normally would be opened up in Excel. So if we double click on it, that's what we'd expect to happen. Okay, cool. Alright, so this is what it would look like originally once you open it up. So remember, if information is being cut off, we want to basically resize these columns so that we can see everything clearly. So in Excel, above this one, next to the A, you can click on this little triangle. You can double click on the line in between the A and the B. Now everything is fully visible. Okay, so this is what you want to copy. So I'm just going to highlight it, right click, copy, and I'm going to paste it after this paragraph. So you can either say Control V, or if you right click, choose the first paste option. And that is what it would look like. So this is checking if there's any way to edit it to appear as. So they don't really give any other instructions, so you're just going to paste it. Delete the column with the heading year 2000 price per kilogram. So year 2000 price per kilogram, it's this column over here. So you just put your cursor in this column, you can right click, and if you select delete cells, it will give you an option of what you want to delete. So we want to delete the entire column, so we say OK, and it is removed. So usually I think there is nothing more that this question asks about this table, although it carries on in step 30. So let's just go straight to step 30, and it will come back to step 29, removing page breaks from the document. So we'll finish up working with this table first, and then we'll go back to that one. So insert a new row at the end of the table. Okay, so I'm just going to put my cursor in the last row of the table. Okay, right click, insert, and we want to insert a row below to make another row, which would constitute being the row at the end of the table. And then we just type out the information that they want us to. So enter the following text in the new row. Metal name must be nickel. Then price is 11.27. 11.27. The price per ton. The price per ton is 10,794.13. Oops. 8.05 and 11.48. Sort the data into ascending alphabetical order of the metal name. Okay, so if you want to rearrange or put this in a different order, want to sort it, remember we only highlight the information we want to sort. So we wouldn't include the headings, we'd leave these out, including this one at the top. So the information only from tin all the way down to 11.48. We want to sort this information. So then, like before, you go layout, sort, and to be sure, so alphabetical order of metal name, ascending order. So the metal name is in column 1, so it's already got the correct column selected. It's picking it up as text, and it wants it to be in ascending order. So all we're going to do is say OK. And there we go, and you can see it has come out correctly. Format the first row of the table so that it is center aligned over the 5 columns. Okay, the first row. So we want this heading to be center aligned over the 5 columns. So in other words, we want to merge these cells. So we highlight these cells. You can right click, you can say merge cells, and then we want it center aligned. So under home, we can choose center. Alright. has a white 14-point sans serif font. So we make sure this text is highlighted. We change the font color to white, change the size to 14, change it to sans serif, which we're going to use Arial. That's the most commonly used one, so we're going to stick with that. Is bold and italic, so we make sure it's bold and italic, and has a black background. So remember, if you want to shade something, we're always going to use the paint bucket, so we're going to choose black. Alright, so hopefully this is okay so far. So maybe let's just stop at step 32 and let me know if you have any questions about this table.